so let us look at the question. Another question. This is serial 7 objectives. WASSCE 2025 objective questions. This is question number 35. So we see the number of circuit theorem questions, number of questions that came on circuit theorem. But it brought a lot of questions. Very powerful. So because circuit theorem is a very powerful topic and very confusing. So if you really understand, it means that you enjoy this and enjoy core mathematics. So those who completed and those who really understood circuit theorem, to mean that this topic give them more marks. Yes. So we see that what in the diagram, O is the what the center of the circle, and angle OSZ is equal to what? Is equal to 19 degrees. Find x, y, z. You find x, y, z. We have to find x, y, z. X, y, z. So this is the x, y, z. This is the angle we are supposed to find. Okay. This is the angle we are supposed to find. Fine. Nice one. Oh, have you seen? You know that this is the center. So this one, it will not tell you. The question will not tell you that this is the radius. You have to do O, S is the radius, and O, Z is also the radius. So it means that this angle, this is what this triangle O, S, Z is an associated triangle. So if this is 19 degrees, it means that the base angles in associated triangle are equal. So this side will also be 19. Have you seen? So if that is the case, then we have if this one we make this one y. Have you seen? Then y plus what? Y plus 19. Y plus 19 plus what? 19 is equal to what? 180 degrees. Have you seen? Have you seen? So 19 times 2 is what? 38. So what implies that y plus 38 is equal to 180 degrees. So y is equal to what? 180 minus what? 38. Have you seen? Which is equal to, so 180 minus 38 is what? Was 142. 142. Have you seen? So it means that y is equal to 142 degrees. Have you seen? Y, this is 142 degrees, this angle. And don't forget that angle on the hot, if you are the whole angle at a point, you give us what? Around a point, the angle, the total angle around a point is what? 360 degrees. So if this one is 142, then this one will be 360 minus 142. Have you seen? So 360 minus 142. 360 minus 142. Have you seen? So if you have 360 minus 142, it will give you what? It will give you 218. 218. Have you seen? So this angle, this is 280, 218, and this one is what? 142. So don't forget that. How do you find this? You have to use angles at the angles formed by an arc at the center is equal to 2 times the angle formed by the same arc on the circumference. That is the theorem you have to use. Yes. Have you seen? So this arc, look at this big arc, this major arc is forming an angle of 280 at the center. Have you seen? And this same, have you seen? This arc is forming this angle, and this same arc is forming this angle. Why? Which we are asked what? We are asked to find. Have you seen? So it means that this angle is 2 times y. So it means that this angle 218, this angle 218 is 2 times the angle we are supposed to find. Angle what? S, Y, Z. So it means that if you want angle S, Y, Z, then it's equal to 218 divided by 2, which is equal to 218 divided by 2. You get what? 109 degrees, which is equal to 109 degrees, which is the correct answer is what? Answer what? Have you seen? So guys, yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Get understanding. Don't memorize. If you are already getting understanding, this is interesting. Get understanding and don't memorize. Because if you memorize, guys, you will not be able to score the exams. You will be able to score more marks. You get confused, but because you understand whatever question that comes, you will be able to get it and solve it and get the correct answer. Guys, thank you. Let's go to the next question. Okay, guys, look at another question. This is hey guys, but a lot of questions about 7 question key the objective circuit theorem. Hey, this is the question number 39. Objective 2025. WASSCE core mathematics, general mathematics. You see that in the diagram, O is the center of the circle. Angle KLM is equal to S. So angle KLM is equal to S, and the angle and the line OM is equal to ML. So OM is equal to what? Is equal to OM is equal to ML and is equal to LK and equals what? Q. So all this is a quadrilateral. So what figure is this? What quadrilateral is a rhombus? Huh? This is a rhombus, okay? And this rhombus is a very powerful. Whenever you see rhombus, we will give you any value in any question. But it's interesting that we have to find our vision. Yeah, it's easy to find angle OKL, angle OKL. This is the angle we are supposed to find. Okay, guys. Yes. So some of the properties of a rhombus is that opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles in a rhombus are what? Are equal. That's what you have to do. And then yeah, so if this is x, this is x, this one will also be s. If this is a, this one will also be a. And because opposite angles are equal, it means that if you sum the adjacent angles, you get 180 degrees. Have you seen? Let me prove. Let me let you know. So you see that these are the adjacent angles we are talking about. So a plus x has to give us 180. S, this is s, this is a, this is a. Why? Okay, this is 360 degrees. So if you sum all the angles, you have what? S, this is s plus what? Plus a, plus x plus what? A is equal to what? 360 degrees. That also. So what do you have? You have s. So you get 2s. A plus what? 2a is equal to what? 360. That also. 360 degrees. Have you seen? If you divide 2 by 2, what do you get? S plus a. Then it goes to 180. Have you seen? Interesting. Get understanding, you guys. Get the understanding indeed. But understanding is power, is fun, is everything. Have you seen? So you now understand that adjacent angles in a robot are to 180 degrees. Have you seen? Yeah. So if that is the case, this one is what? X. This is x and this is x. So this one will be 360. 360 what? Minus x. Have you seen the whole of this? This angle is what? 360 minus x. Have you seen? Yes. So from the theorem, it means that we have to find this angle. And we know that this angle, the arc, this arc KM, this major arc KM is forming this angle 360 minus S here. And it is forming this same what? Angle S at the circumference. But we know that if you want this angle 360 minus that's the angle formed by the arc at the center is equal to 2 times. So it means that 360 minus s is equal to 2 times the angle formed by the same arc on the circumference, which is 2 times what? 2 times s. Have you seen? Which is equal to 2s. Is that not, have you seen? Yes. Yes. Have you seen? So it means that if you want to find s, you have 360. 360 is equal to 2s plus what? Plus s. So it means that 360 is equal to 3 what? 3s. Have you seen? So you can just rewrite it. You can write it that 3s equals what? 360, guys. So s is equal to what? S is equal to 360 over 12, give you 36, which is equal to 12, 120 degrees. Have you, guys? So which means that this side x is equal to what? 120 degrees. So guys, the correct answer is what? T. Get understanding. Remember that. Enjoy. Get understanding. Understanding is fun. Understanding is power, guys. So let us move to the next question, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, guys. Okay, guys, yeah, let's look at this question as well. But, guys, this question is not really, it's fine. It's not a circuit theorem question per se, but because of this thing, let us add it to the questions that we have considered. Yeah, we see that in the diagram, I said that the diagram shows a field M N P Q R S T. Yeah, M N P Q R S T. Where MTS is a semicircle. MTS is a semicircle. Find the area of the field. So we have to find the area of what? Area of this field. Guys, that's what we are doing. That we should find the area of the field. Yeah, this is not easy. That's why we are, guys. You are teachers what? You are asked to get understanding. Because guys, if you have understanding, this thing is not going to be difficult. Obviously, you want to find the area. So what will be the area? The area, this is the area. Obviously. So you can join this line. If you join this line, then you see that the area. So if you find the area of the what do you call it? the area of the rectangle minus the area of the semicircle will give you the area of the figure. Have you seen? So area of the field AF is equal to area of the rectangle minus area of the semicircle. Semicircle. Have you seen? So see guys, look at this. The straight line is 8. You see that this is 2. This side is 2. What will be this? MS is 4. MS has to 4 straight away. 4 centimeters. Have you seen? So the 4 centimeters so it means that this one is the diameter. Diameter. So this one is a semicircle. So if you can bring, if you have a point here, it means that one will be center. So this one will be 2. This side will be 2. Have you seen? So we know that area of a circle is given by pi r square. So if half of the area of the circle is semicircle, so we divide it by 2. Have you seen? The r square, r is 2 diameter. This is the diameter for r will be 2. So r, the radius r is half of the diameter. Have you seen? And then you know that the rectangle, area of rectangle is what? Length and what? Length and breadth. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Have you seen? Which is equal to what? Is equal to. So this one, area of the rectangle is 8 times what? Length times 8 times 4. Have you seen? Which is equal to 4 is 32. 32 centimeters. Centimeters what? Centimeters square. Have you seen? That is the area of the rectangle. And then the area of the circle is what? Pi r square. R is what? Is the diameter. 4 divided by 2. So we give us pi as what? 22 over 7 times what? R is what? 2. R is 2. 2 square. Have you seen? Which is equal to. Have you seen? So 22 times 2 square will be 4. 4 over 7. That will be the area. But this is the area of the circle. We still have to divide this by what? By 2. So area of the semicircle, semicircle is equal to area of circle pi r square over what? Over 2, which is equal to 22 times 4 over what? 7. Then divided by 2 again, so it will be 7 times 2. Have you seen? Yeah, 7 times 2. So it means that 2 can go into 4. 2. Have you seen? So the area of the semicircle will be equal to, guys, the area of the semicircle. So guys, the area of the semicircle is 22 over 22 times 2, we get 44. 44 over 7. 44 divided by 7, what do we get? We get 6 point, 6 point, 6 point, this one, the decimal is 1 decimal place to 6.2, say 85. So that is what we get. This is the area of what? The area of the semicircle. So if you want to find the area of the field, as we have written here, the area of the field AF will be equal to the area of the rectangle 32 minus 6.2, yes, 85. Have you seen? So 32, that's, yeah. So we get to 25. We get 25.7, which is equal to 25.714. So the answer is up to 1 decimal place. So definitely what is the answer? So we see this and this is it. 25.7, which is what? What's the number? Answer B. Guys, get understand it. So you see, guys, this is not a purely circuit theorem question. This is not purely circuit theorem question. But because you understand, because of your understanding, you are solving this question without any difficulty. That is why we are saying that the channel is telling you to get understanding. This is the channel. To get understanding. Don't remember that, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like it and share so that if any understandable lesson like this is updated, you will be notified. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, guys.